Hello, friends. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about opposite words. This is day. When the sun is shining bright, it's daytime, and this is night. When the moon and stars are out, it's nighttime. Day and night are opposites. This teddy bear is big and this one is small. Big and small are opposites. The sun is hot and ice is cold. Hot and cold are opposites. When we smile, we're happy. And this dog is short. Tall and short are opposites. Wow! You all did amazing. Now you know some opposite words. Remember, opposites are words that mean the exact opposite of each other. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing your opposite words, and we'll see you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.